out. Let's get into your stock picks. Where are you seeing opportunity at the moment, Devin?
Sure. So it's one that we've chatted about before. It's a Hong Kong listed sports retailer, Anta Sports,
Okay.
and it's actually one of the largest sports manufacturers in the world. Not necessarily well known as a company, but some of the brands are pretty well known and loved, like Salomon, Wilson, and Fila. I think what's really compelling is it's a dominant player in the Chinese market. They've got about a quarter of market share there, and you've got to remember that's an economy that's growing along at 5%. So there's an inherent growth there. They've got a really strong e-commerce platform, as you would expect in a market like China, and yeah, just a really strong company from a financial perspective, ungeared balance sheet, and commands significant margins, particularly on the e-commerce platform. So yeah, one we like, and yeah, one we're watching closely.
And what are you hanging your hat on, Grant?
So I do like that Anta Sports as well, just by the way. So one I'm looking at, and I'm talking, supporting what I said earlier, I like Mr. Price. That's my stock pick today. I think there's enough in those earnings to suggest, if you take a 12 to 18 month view, it still looks quite cheap, especially if we see further rate cuts, which I think we will. If we see further real wage growth, which I think we will, and we have, and you see this sort of unwinding of negative sentiment globally over time, you're going to find these stocks are going to offer attractive returns. So I think it's a good business, it's in the right place, and it offers attractive upside. So that would be Mr. Price.
All right, let's leave it there, gents. Thanks so much for your time this afternoon. Thanks to my guest, Devin Shutte from the Rebay Group and Grant Nader from Benguela Global Fund Managers. Do remember that Stockwatch pre-records on a Monday and Wednesday at 1 p.m. and is live at 6:30 p.m. on a Tuesday and Thursday, while Stockwatch this week is live at 12:30 p.m. on Fridays. Keep that in mind and keep your questions coming. For now, that's it from Stockwatch this week, but do stay tuned for lots more coming up right on Business Day TV.